Okay, in the previous class, I was explaining regarding multiple bar diagram. Multiple bar diagram means the diagram used to compare two or more set of statistical data, and if there are two or more than two set of data is given for the comparison purpose, then we take the help of multiple bar diagrams. Multiple bars are more than two bars are used to explain the details of the statistical data. Okay, bars are constructed side by side to represent the set of values for comparison. And this is already explained one. And once again, I'll see this table. This is the table. Okay, this is the question. Asked to draw the diagram, bar diagram. Okay, the set of information is of two types. The first set is printing and writing material related to 3 years. You make one set of information like this. Second set is wrapping paper, 2001, 2002, 2003. This is the set of paper. You may make this set of statistical data based on horizontal line or vertical columns. Horizontal lines, vertical columns. I will solve this problem based on vertical and horizontal. Okay, this is the production in a factory, paper factory, and these are the papers, printing papers, wrapping papers, special variety, and boards. Okay, in the year 2001, 65 tons is the printing and writing paper, 16 tons is the wrapping paper, special paper is only 7 tons, boards are 18 tons. This is one set of statistical data. If you take year as a base. Okay, in the second year, 2002, this is the information. And in the year 2003, this is the information. This is the set of information, set of statistical data based on column wise. This is based on column wise. You may compare. You can compare the production of different products in the year of 2001, in the year 2002, in the year 2003. Okay. What is the position of each quality of paper? Or you may compare the statistical data based on line wise. You see this. This is the line wise. Printing and wrapping paper production 2001, 2002, 2003. What is the position of writing, printing and writing paper? Wrapping paper position in 3 years. Special papers, special variety in 3 years. Then the boards in 3 years position. You can express like this: vertical, horizontal. This is called as multiple bar diagram. This is already explained one, the bars in the graph, how to draw the diagram. This diagram I already explained in the previous class. I will not go for explaining once again. And subdivided bar diagram. What is subdivided bar diagram? Subdivided bar diagram is nothing but we draw one common bar for the total, and the total bar is divided or subdivided into parts based on the components of each item. Okay, so the bar is subdivided into various parts in proportion to the values. The bar is subdivided into various parts in proportion to the values given in the data, and whole bar represent the total. Only total bar represent the total value. Okay. Such diagrams are also called as component bar diagram. You call it as subdivided bar diagram or component bar diagram. Okay. Then subdivided bar diagrams are distinguished by the different colors or crossings or dots. You have to identify the each component by different color or different pictures, symbols, etc. This is already explained in the previous class. This is the problem I was going to explain in the previous class. Okay. These are the components of 2001. You see here, 2001 components are 4. Printing and writing paper, wrapping paper, special variety boards. These are the components of the production for the year 2001, 2002, 2003. And you have to take the total of this. You take the total of this. And one bar is drawn for the total, and that bar is subdivided into components proportionate wise based on their values. Okay, that is called as subdivided bar diagram. This is the solution. You write the variety. There are 4 varieties in total. Year 2001, 2002, 2003. You draw the table like this. And you take the information relating to 2001. 2001 actual is actual, cumulative, actual, cumulative, actual, cumulative. Like this, you draw the table. Then you take the actual 65, 16, 7, total 106. Okay. Then this number actual is to be converted to cumulative value. Cumulative means you have to add one another. Okay, first 65 is here. You take the 65. 65 plus 16. Next number is added to get the next cumulative number, 81. 81 plus 7. 81 plus 7, 88. 88 plus 18, 106. This 106 must tally with the total. Okay, 106 is equal to 106 total. In the same way, you take the second year, 2002, 70, 15, 5, 19. Total is 109. Cumulative you calculate, 70, 70. 70 plus 15, 85. 80 plus 5, 90. 90 plus 9, 90 plus 19, 109. Again, total is same. Okay, like this you have to check. Then third year, 103, 24, 5, 13, 145. Now calculate the cumulative. 103 plus 24, 127. 127 plus 5, 132. 132 plus 13, 145. 145 plus 145, 145, tally. Like this you calculate the cumulative. I will show how to calculate the cumulative values. You take 65 to the next column. 65 plus 16 is equal to 81. 81 plus 7 is equal to 88. 88 plus 18 is equal to 106. Okay, like this you have to calculate cumulative. Here 70, 70. 70 plus 15, 85. 85 plus 5, 90. 90 plus 19, 109. This is called as cumulative. 103, 103, no difference. 103 plus 24, 127. 127 plus 5, 132. 132 plus 13, 145. Okay, this is called as cumulative. Okay. And on the basis of cumulative values, you draw the graph. What is the total of the cumulative value? 106. Your graph or bar length must be 106. First bar length 106, second bar length 109, third bar length 145. Okay, 145 is the highest. On the basis of highest value, you have to fix the y-axis. You fix the y-axis. You see here. This is my graph. Production of paper in 3 years, tons. X-axis, the year. Then y-axis, 10 units. Okay. X-axis, this is X, this is Y-X, this is Y-X, this is 0. I'll take the multiple of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay. 110, 120, 30, 40, 50. 150 maximum taken because 145 is the highest value. 145 is the highest value. Therefore, I have taken up to 150. Okay, you have to remember this. Then, for the year 2001, total of the values, total of the component is 106. So you draw 106. First component is this much, 65. Then second is up to 80, cumulative value. Second cumulative value is 81. Up to 80 you take second component. And third component is 88, up to 88. Third component is 106, up to 106, 88 to 106. Like this, you have to draw the graph. This is 2001. Then for the 2002 year, 70 is the first component. And next bar is up to 85. Up to 85, you mark and calculate. And next is 90. And last is 109, up to 109. Okay, like this you take. And next year 2003, first is 103. Up to 103 is the first part, first component. Second component's values up to 127. And third is 132. Last is 145. Okay, this is the diagram. This is the component bar diagram. And you show the index. In the index, this color, this red color indicates printing and writing paper. Then blue color indicates wrapping paper. Okay. Dark blue, dark yellow represent special paper. And light yellow indicates boards. Okay, this is the subdivided bar diagram or component bar diagram. In this way you have to draw the diagram. This is the third type of diagram. Next is percentage bar diagram. Next is percentage bar diagram. What is percentage diagram? It is also a component bar diagram, but the components are expressed in the parts of 100. Components are expressed as a part of 100. Therefore, it is called as percentage bar diagram. The components are not actual value. The components are not actual value. The components are expressed in the form of percentage. Okay, for every 100, what is the part of each component or value of each component? That is called as percentage bar diagram. So the main difference between the subdivided bar diagram and percentage bar diagram is that the former, the bars are of different size. In the in the component bar diagram, the length of the bar is different. The length of the bar is not same. Okay, you see here. Here, you see here. The length of the bar is not uniform. But in the percentage bar diagram, the length of the total bar is same. Length of all the bars is same because we convert the components in the parts of 100. Okay. And in case of data having subdivision, percentage bar diagram will be more appealing than subdivided bar diagram. Percentage bar diagram is more appealing than the subdivided bar diagram or component bar diagram, because in the percentage bar diagram we can understand the greater or smaller very easily because it is expressed in percentage, but the strength of the each component cannot be studied easily in the subdivided bar diagram. Okay, this is the advantage of the percentage bar diagram. Okay, you see this example from the following table. The following table gives the data regarding production of paper in a factory. Draw a bar diagram to represent the data. I have taken only 2 years. Same problem. 2002, 2003. Okay. 2002 total is 9. 2003 total is 145. 145. And we calculate the percentage of each component first. We calculate each percentage of each component first and then draw the diagram. Okay. You see the table, how to calculate it. This is the statement showing calculation of percentage. Variety is here, with papers, total, 2002, 2003, 2 years I have taken. Actual value of the component, percentage, cumulative percentage. Same, actual percentage, cumulative percentage. You like this, you make the columns. You make the columns. You make the columns like this. And then write the values. Actual value 70, 16, 7, 18, 100. Seventy, 15, 5, 19, total 100, 9 is the actual value. Then you have to calculate percentage. How to calculate percentage? Each component value is to be taken at numerator and denominator place total. You divide by the total and multiply by 100. Equation is percentage is equal to value of each component divided by total value of all the component into 100. Okay. Here each component value, first component value is 70 divided by total is 109 into 100. You see here 70 divided by 109 into 100 is equal to 64.2% nearly. Second is 15 by 109 into 100 is equal to 13.8. And third is 5 by 109 into 100 is equal to 4.6. Next 19 divided by 109 into 100 is equal to 17.4. And don't calculate for the total. If 109 divided by 109 into 100 is equal to 100. Total is 100%. Now you calculate the cumulative percentage. 64.2 first is nearly 64. 64 plus 13 nearly take 14. 64 plus 14 is equal to 78. 78 plus 5 nearly 83. 83 plus 17 nearly it is 100. Cumulative is tally. Like this you calculate the second also. In the second, actual value 103, 24, 5, 13, 145 is the total. Calculate the percentage. 103 divided by 145 into 100. is equal to 71. 24 divided by 145 into 100 is equal to 16.6 nearly. Next is 5 divided by 145 into 100 is equal to 3.4. 13 divided by 145 into 100 is equal to 9. And total is 100%. And next is cumulative 71. 71 plus 17, 88. 88 plus 3, 91. 91 plus 9, 100. Total tally. This is the cumulative force. Like this, you calculate the percentage. And take the graph sheet. In the graph sheet, in the y-axis, you have to take 100 units. 100 units because you have to express it in a percentage form. You are expressing in a percentage form. Okay. You see the graph. This is graph. Production of paper in tons. Okay. X-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10%. I'll take 10%. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Okay, 0. You take the multiple of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100 is enough because the bar is not more than 100 unit. Simply I have taken the other values also. Up to 100 is essential. 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 like this. Okay. 150. Like this you draw the values. And you first draw 2002 bar. 2002 bar is 100%. 100% means up to 100 level, this level. Up to this level, 100 is this value. Up to this point, 100 is here. Up to this level, you draw one column. Okay, one bar. You draw one bar. After this, you draw one bar, 100. Okay, this is the 100%. 100%. In the 100%, what is the part of the first? First value. First value is up to 65. Up to 65. You put one line. Second cumulative value here 78. Third cumulative value here. And fourth cumulative value last. And put the color. Fill the color like this. First part, second part, third part, fourth part. You may mention the percentage value in their respective component also. This is the 100%. And 2002. In the 2002, you draw the bar. This is the 100%. This is the 100%. And first cumulative value is 71 up to this level. You mark at the first cumulative value, second cumulative value, third cumulative value, and last. Put the last value. Fill the color. First part, you fill this color. Second part, third part, fourth part. Like this, you fill the color and prepare the index. First, this is writing and printing paper. Second category, this color, wrapping paper. Third, this is special variety. And last is bolts. Okay. Like this, you have to present the percentage bar diagram. This is the percentage bar diagram. In these column, you may write the percentage of each values. Okay. What are the values? You write the values, percentage value, 64%, 13%, 4%, 17%. These value may be mentioned in the each component. In each component, you may write the percentage. At the top, you may write as 100%. Okay, at the top you write the 100%. Okay, this is the percentage bar diagram. Percentage bar diagram. Okay. There is only 1 minute time. You rejoin again. You rejoin again after 5 minutes. After 5 minute break, you rejoin. I'll continue once again. You take 5 minute break and rejoin.